We are from Executive Edge, IBS Hyderabad, and we are here to share your experiences and vision regarding India at 75 and other issues regarding macroeconomy and education related issues. What are your views on India at 75?
Well, first, the good news. The good news is that uh, the prosperity will spread in India. But the bad news is that happiness will not until we fix governance. So the Indian economy is essentially on autopilot. And now we've had a divorce between politics and economics. And so politicians cannot spoil it as they did in the past. And this is why we say that the Indian economy grows at night when the government is asleep. Now, why do I say that the economy will continue? The main reason is that, first of all, it's not a new story. The Indian economy's high growth has been going on since 1980. So now we are in 2009. That is 28 years we have experienced high growth. Between 1980 and 2002, the growth was 6%. And from 2003 to 2008 was almost 9%. And so I think it will slow down in the next couple of years because of the global economic crisis. But by and large, I would say that India will return to high growth. Well, the present economic crisis, I don't think anybody really knows uh, when it will be over. And my own view is that we will be one of the first countries to come or get out of it. Partly because we are less globalized. Our domestic economy is driving us. And that um, is so how what will help is what the government is actually partly doing. I would do it even more aggressively. Drop interest rates, push a lot of money into the system, liquidity. The CRR, CLR make them much more liberal, and let the economy be flush with money, so that whether you are a bank or an NBFC, you are going after the customer again, like what was happening earlier. Now the banks and all, they're afraid to lend to people. And so if with lower interest rates, with mortgages easy, housing will get spurred. Housing creates tremendous jobs, uh, directly and indirectly, because it uses cement, it uses steel, it uses bricks, it uses lots of people. Similarly, cars, people will, if you can buy a car on a loan in installments, people will buy cars, motorcycles, all other consumer goods will get going. So the most important thing is to, I think, bring down the interest rates, because we are still, the domestic consumption is a very important part of our economy. And if we just drive domestic consumption, and when the global economy recovers, then the exports will also slowly begin to pick up with that.